lovely people, I'm Stephanie, welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional recipe from Austria. Yes, it's Wiener Schnitzel. This breaded veal cutlet was browned to perfection, tender, crispy and yummy. So let's get started. First, you're gonna season the veal cutlets with salt and pepper on both sides. Place the cutlet between sheets of black stick wrap, then pound the meat thinly. In a shallow dish, beat an egg together with a tablespoon of heavy cream until well combined. In a large skillet, melt some butter, and we are ready to dredge our cutlets in flour. Then dip in the egg mixture and roll directly in the breadcrumbs until well coated. Immediately place the meat in a skillet, but don't overcrowd them. Cook the schnitzel in batches if necessary. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Serve this dish with a simple salad, lemon wedges, potato salad or whatever side dish you like will be a perfect match for this schnitzel. But if you want to see how I make a simple German potato salad like this one, then check out the previous video or just click in the link below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the full description, go to LoveThatBite.com. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get a new update video. I'll see you next time. Bye!